Let's talk about what immigration scams actually are. These are fraudulent schemes where people pretend to be real attorneys, but they're not. Their goal is to steal your money and steal your personal information. Or worse, jeopardize your immigration status by filing false or frivolous documents. Let's go over the most common types of scams. Notarios, pretending to be lawyers. In many countries, notarios are legal professionals, but in the US, they are not qualified to practice law. Be very careful with anyone who's claiming to be a lawyer but not licensed. Second, fake USCIS emails or phone calls. Scammers may pretend to be an immigration officer and ask for money or personal information. Remember, USCIS is never going to ask you for payment or money over the phone or by email. Number 3, anyone who guarantees you approval or a quick approval. No legitimate immigration attorney can truly promise that your green card or visa will be approved. If someone does, that's a big red flag. Here are other red flags I also want you to look out for. Unlicensed immigration experts. Always make sure the person you're working with is a licensed immigration attorney in the United States. You can always verify this with the local state bar association. Number 2, if they require upfront payments and offer you no receipt. Be very wary of this because I've seen this happen. Number 3, if they promise you that they have special connections to get you a great result. Nobody has special connections in the government, and if they do, it's probably a scam. So what can you do to protect yourself? Here are a few important steps. Number 1, make sure that you hire a licensed attorney. Number 2, always check their license, their credentials, and check with the state bar. Number 3, get everything in writing. When you pay money, make sure that you have a clear agreement that outlines the services and the fees. In my office, I only work with clients under contract. Finally, be aware of any unsolicited emails or phone calls. You're never going to get an email from USCIS saying, "Pay me $1,000. If you think you've been the victim of a scam, report it to immigration right away and contact local authorities. Immigration scams can ruin your chances of getting a green card in the US and can cost you tons of money. The best way to protect yourself is to stay informed. Make sure that you work only with qualified professionals. If you need any help with your immigration case or you have questions, make sure that you reach out to my office. I've been an immigration attorney for 15 years, and you can find me on the Illinois State Bar Association attorney roster. Stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.